Good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes assignment dated 15th June 2020. So today we are going to discuss about how arrange the greatest numbers. Already we discussed about the place value systems of enumerations, Indian place value system of numeration. According to that, by using that Indian place value system of numeration, we learned how to rearrange the digits, how to form the numbers, and how to read and write the numbers. And today we are going to discuss about the form. First question: form the greatest number using that Hindu Arabic numerals 0, 2, 1, 8, 4, 5, 9. By using these digits, we have to arrange the greatest number. Greatest number. By using these digits, we have to arrange the greatest number. So the digits are 0, 2, 1, 8, 4, 5, 9. Already we discussed about how to arrange the ascending order and descending order. By using that, we are arranging the digits in greatest number means we have to write the digits from bigger number to smaller number. So here among these digits, Hindu Arabic numerals, which is the bigger one? 9. Next. Here in these digits, the bigger one is 9. Next 8. Next digit is after 8, which is that? 5. Next after 5, 4. After 4, 2. After 2, 1. And the last digit is 0. I have to arrange the digits from greatest to smallest to form the greatest number. So what we get that? After writing, split the number according to the periods. Indian place value system of numeration. The number is 98,54,210. So this is the greatest number. Next we are going to discuss about the second question. Second question, standard form of 90 lakhs, 1 lakh, 90 lakhs plus 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 0 plus 400 plus 80 plus 5. So I have to write the expanded form of a number to the standard form. Standard form is nothing but short form. Short form. Standard form. While you are writing that standard form, whether in the given question all the places, all the place values of the numbers, if the digit is any missing or not, we have to check it. Here ones place is there, tens place is there, ones place is there, tens place is there, hundreds place is there, and thousands place is there, 10,000s place also is there. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Here every place value of the digit is given. So we have to write the digits according to the order of places. So first 10 lakhs place is there. The 10 lakhs place 9 is there. 9. Next in the 1 lakh place 1. Next in the 10,000s place 2. 2. In the thousands place we are having 0. So I have to write the thousands place 0. Next hundreds place 4. Next tens place 8. Next ones place 5. So this is the one of the easiest way to write the expanded form of a number into the standard form. So standard form is also nothing but short form. So we can write by adding all the place values like this: 90 lakhs. Next 1 lakh. Next 20,000. Next thousands place 0. Next hundreds place 400. place 80. Next ones place. So it will take some more time to write the standard form. So by adding all these digits 5, 8, 4, 0, 2, 1, 9. We get the same answer by adding all the numbers in the vertical form. So it is easier than the vertical form to write the standard form of a number by comparing the place values. 10 lakhs is there, lakhs is there, 10,000 is there, thousands is there, hundreds is there, tens are there, ones are there. According to the order of the place values, if you write the digits, you can get the standard form easily. So what is the answer? 91 lakh 20,485. Children, next we are going to discuss about the third question. Fill in the blank boxes with correct answers. With correct answers. Here the fill in the blanks with place value and face value. Already we discussed about the place value. Place value can identify the places on the digits, on the above the digits. So here 5 belongs to ones place, 8 belongs to tens place, 4 belongs to hundreds place, 0 belongs to thousands place, 2 belongs to 10,000s place, 1 belongs to lakhs place, and 9 belongs to 10 lakhs place. So we have to identify the place value. We have to identify the place value. Next, face value. Face value means the digit itself. That means when you stood in front of the mirror, are you able to see, are you able to identify your face or some other ex-person, or some other like your favorite teacher's face? When you stood in front of the mirror, you can identify your face only. In the same way, the face value of the digit never change. So, the place value of 5 is 5 into 1, 5. Next, place value of 8 is 8 belongs to tens place. So 8 into 10, 80, 8 tens are 80. Next 4 belongs to hundreds place. 4 into 100, 400. Next 0 belongs to thousands place. 0 into 1000. So 0 into 1000 is nothing but 0. So that indicates the place value of 0 is always 0. Next, and place value of 2. 2 belongs to 10,000s place. 2 into 10,000. That is equal to 20,000. Next, 1 belongs to lakhs place. 1 into 1 lakh. So that is equal to 1 lakh. Next, 9 belongs to 10 lakhs place. So 9 into 10 lakhs. So that is equal to 90 lakhs. So these are the place values of 91 lakhs 20,485. So 5 belongs to ones place, 5 into 1, 5. 8 belongs to tens place, 8 into 10, 80. Next 4 belongs to hundreds place, 4 into 100, 400. Next 0 belongs to thousands place, 0 into any number is 0. So 0 of place value, 0 place value is nothing but 0. Next 2 belongs to 10,000s place, 2 into 10,000, 20,000. Next 1 belongs to lakhs place, 1 into lakh, 1 lakh. Next 9 belongs to 10 lakhs place, 9 into 10 lakhs is equal to 90 lakhs. Next, face values of 5. Face value means the number, the digit itself. So 5 face value is 5. 8 face value is 8. Already discussed about it. When you stood in front of the mirror, it will appear your face. So in the same way, the face value of the digit digit never change. The digit itself. 5 face value is 5. 8 face value is 8. 4. 4 face value is 4. Next 0. 0 face value is 0. Next 2 face value is face value of 2 is 2. Next 1 face value is 1. Next 9 face value is 9. Okay, is it clear, Nana? Children, next question, fourth question. Word form of a number 91,20,485 is, we have to write this number in word form. So word form 91,20,485. So word form here mention the places above the digits, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So when a guest invited our family to a function, our guest will write the invitation card our entire family members' names. No, they won't write the entire family member names. At the same way, here also should not write that 9, 10 lakhs, 1 lakh like that. Should not write like that. You have to write 91 as 91 lakhs. While the invitation card, the guest will write the head of the family member. So in the same way, here also 91 belongs to lakhs family. So I have to write that 91 lakhs. 91 lakhs. Next 20 belongs to thousands. 20. 1,000. 20,000. 400. 400. Here, this is one spirit. In the one spirit, every digit we have to write individually. So 480. 5 in the place of ones. 5. So 91 lakhs 20,485. So that is the word form of the number. Children, next we are going to discuss about the fifth question. Complete the missing information in the given table. Here the given table is standard form, expanded form, number name. Here standard form is given. Standard form means by using comma I have to separate the digits. Next, expanded form is missing and number name is also given 46,925. Now we have to write the expanded form. So expanded form, when you are taking a rubber band, if you extend that rubber band, what will be happening? It will be get some more distance, previous position. The actual position, you will get some more distance, extended form. So in the same way, expanded form also is nothing but you have to split the digits according to the places. So the number is so here 5 belongs to ones place, 2 belongs to tens place, 9 belongs to hundreds place, 6 belongs to thousand, 4 belongs to 10,000. So I have to expand this number according to the places by using plus. I have to split this number by using plus. So 4 belongs to 10,000. So 40,000. 4 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 9 belongs to hundreds. 9 into 100 plus 2 belongs to tens. 2 into 10 plus 5 belongs to ones. 5 into 1. So that is equal to 4 into 10,000, 40,000 plus 6 into 1,000, 6,000 plus 9 into 100. 900 plus 2 into 10, 20 plus 5 into 1, 5. What we are written here, expanded form of the number. So first we have to write the 4 belongs to 10,000 place. 4 into 10,000 plus 6 belongs to 1000. 6 into 1000 plus 9 belongs to hundreds place. 9 into 100 plus 2 belongs to tens place. 2 into 10 plus 5 belongs to ones place. 5 into 1. So 4 into 10,000, 40,000. 6 into 1000, 6,000. 9 into 100, 900. 2 into 10, 20. 5 into 1, 5. So thank you children. We will see you in the next class.